Hello students, week 14 physics for grade 11, chapter 34, lesson number 8, converting AC to DC, textbook page 690. At the end of the lesson, you will be able to describe how alternating current is converted to direct current. The current in your home is alternating current. The current in a battery operated device such as a laptop computer or a cell phone is direct current. So with an AC-DC converter, you can operate a battery run device on AC instead of batteries. A converter uses a transformer to lower the voltage, and a diode means an electronic device that allows electron flow in only one direction. So in an AC-DC converter, there are mainly two parts. One is a transformer, another one is a diode. A transformer reduces the voltage and a diode regulates the direction. So it allows the electron flow in one direction. Since alternating current vibrates in two directions, only half of each cycle will pass through a diode. So the output is a rough DC of half the time. To maintain continuous current while smoothing the bumps, a capacitor is used. So there is a third one to smoothen the path of the electrons, that is a capacitor. So in short, you can say there are mainly three parts. Two parts are enough actually to convert and direct the flow, but to make it more smoothen, you have to use a capacitor. So what are the three parts? A transformer, a diode, and a capacitor. And what are the functions of these three parts? Transformer is used to reduce the voltage, and diode is used to direct the flow into one direction, and a capacitor used to smoothen the path. You can say there will be still bumps because of eliminating only one cycle. So to make it smoothen only one direction with a smooth flow, a capacitor also used. Recall that a capacitor acts as a storage reservoir for charge. About capacitor you had a previous lesson. Just as it takes time to raise or lower the water level in a reservoir, it takes time to add or remove electrons from the capacitor. So a capacitor therefore produces a retarding effect on changes in current flow and smooths the pushed output. You can say smooths the pulsed output. Look at the figure. When input to diode is AC, so this is the sign of alternating current. Let's say diode is used, then what's happening? You can see in B, output is pulsating DC. So this is actually DC, but still there is a pulse. And now charging and discharging of a capacitor provides a continuous and smoother current. So third one, you can see the pulse is eliminated by the use of a capacitor. And in practice, a pair of diodes is used so there are no gaps in current output. And finally, in more practically, when two diodes, a pair of diodes are used with this system, there will be no gaps in the current output. So this is how a perfect AC-DC converter works. Now there is a question: how can you operate a battery run device on AC? Try to answer your question. Thank you and see you next time.